Panguva ine pane mashoko ari kubuda panguva ine ari kuonekwa kunzi there are only 2 people panguva ine vari kustopa kuti zvigananda zvinyatsoexecuta zvinyatsocapture the whole of Zimbabwe zviite zvazvinoda nenyika yese Zimbabwe. Saka pane mashoko mafresh attacks ari kuonekwa kunzi they are attacking general pamwe chete nageneral Anselm Sanyatwe. Vaviri ava panguva ine vari kuonekwa kunzi according to this script yandikuverenga, these guys vari under attack. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon ndivida paindo yatafadzwa angabanganikwa muri kuona uyu anobuda nyora chiti so the die is cast and Tagore is pushing ED to act against both Chiwenga and General Sanyatwe. Tagore last night told ED that acting on some intelligence he gathered from General Monda, he was aware that VP had a 90-day plan to clean the country. Monda told Tagore that the 90-day plan, which Monda alleges was hatched in May, would see all Ganandas behind bars. This explains Tagore's knee-jerk reaction, which saw him moving around the country resuscitating the ill-conceived third-term bid for Mnangagwa under the so-called 23rd agenda. Tagore told ED that he was under siege from his VP, hence the national campaigns that Tagore was embarking on. Tagore told ED that in the past weeks he had made numerous slogans and declarations in support of him than any other ZANU-PF member because he was aware that the press was under siege. Tagore disclosed that he has hatched a plan to incorporate the army through Zimbabwe Defense Industries into tender to build the Harare-Chirundi Road, 500 million, and the Bulawayo Force Road, 435 million. The inclusion of the army in these tenders is aimed at soiling the reputation of the army and senior army officials by paying them substantial amounts of money so that they also become Ganandas. Tagore told ED that he had over 200 houses in Harare North alone and was prepared to give this to senior army officials to compromise them and coup-proof ED. Ndomashoko ari kubuda panguva ino ari kuchitogwa panapa panokomana vari kuzvitiwana tafadza vachiuya panapa vachiexposa zvinhu zviri kuitika kesi iri kuitika muthe regime. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.